Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all those dreams of yours become a reality? What can I do to help you live your life on that higher level? If you'd like to see if we can work together in your next big adventure, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. It's really that simple. If you don't like something, why would you not do anything about it? You can moan, you can whinge about the problem or the situation all you want, but unless it's life-threatening, then you can do something about it. Change how you see the issue and change that approach. You'll find a different way can always help you find your new way out.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.